Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer from the Coinbase to the Coinbase Wallet. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase Wallet on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find this option at your home page. Now to transfer the money, you can simply tap onto this option right here. Then here you can find the option of add crypto to your wallet. Simply tap on it. Then here you can find the option of transfer from Coinbase. Now simply select it. And after that, simply tap onto authorize option right here. And after doing this, you can simply transfer the crypto from the Coinbase to the Coinbase wallet. And that's it. This is how you can transfer from Coinbase to Coinbase wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.